Laying your own ceramic tile helps make bath and kitchen remodels affordable, but it does have challenges. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share some ways to simplify it right after this. Black and green stuff growing on your roof or siding? Pick up Wet and Forget's new rapid application hose end. Now Wet and Forget No Scrub Outdoor Cleaner is even easier with a brand new nozzle that attaches to your garden hose and sprays up to 30 feet. Wet and Forget hose end quickly and easily treats surfaces you normally couldn't reach without climbing up the ladder. Each bottle cleans up to a whopping 2,000 square feet. Visit wetandforget.com to find a retailer near you. Laying tile is physically demanding, but the basic skills themselves can be learned pretty quickly. However, there are challenges. So here's a few tips to smooth out the path for you. If you're working alone, lay out the tiles in place with spacers and make your cuts before you begin spreading the thin-set adhesive. Otherwise, the adhesive may dry out before you finish. Excess adhesive often squeezes up between the tiles where the grout will go. It's easier to get out while it's wet, but after it dries, you can use a paint key or bent coat hanger to scrape it out. And always keep a bucket of water and a wet rag handy to clean thin-set or grout off your hands. You'll make much less of a mess that way. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.